Hello and welcome to Gadgets 360. Today I have with me the Realme GT Master Edition. Realme usually launches a Master Edition based on an existing smartphone, but things are a bit different with the Realme GT series. The GT Master Edition is Realme's first smartphone to be launched as a Master Edition. This means there is not a special edition of an existing smartphone, but a brand new smartphone all by itself. And it is special. This is because it is the first smartphone in India to feature a Qualcomm Snapdragon 778G processor. There's also a 120Hz refresh rate display and a 65-watt charger in the box. And its design is based on a suitcase. Let that sink in for a while. So let's go ahead and unbox the Realme GT Master Edition. But first, let's take a quick glance at the specs at the back. There is the Snapdragon 778G 5G processor, 120Hz Super AMOLED display, 65-watt Super Dart charging, and this is the 8GB RAM and 256GB storage variant that is available in Voyager Grey. This is the Voyager Grey finish of the smartphone. So let's take off the wrapping. Here is the phone. We'll get back to this in a bit. Keep that here. Let's see what else is there in the box. There is a case. It's a TPU case, but with a nice soft finish. Good protection around the ports. There's a Super Dart charger. This is a 65-watt Super Dart charger. And this is the charging cable. Below this is the SIM ejector tool. And that's about it. And let's unwrap the smartphone. Now that the device has been set up, let's take a closer look at the Voyager Grey Realme GT Master Edition. The Realme GT Master Edition is available in three finishes. There's the Voyager Grey finish, which is the one that we have received for review, and there's also Luna White and Cosmos Black. The Voyager Grey finish looks quite unique because its back panel looks like the size of a suitcase with a typical horizontal grid pattern. While it looks rugged, its matte grey finish feels a bit soft to touch as it's made of vegan leather. As per the designer, its unique design was inspired by the most representative thing in travel, which are suitcases, allowing users to think of travel. Love it or hate it, it does feel quite premium and is also easy to grip because of its concave vegan leather finish. The frame is made of plastic, while the back panel is made of polycarbonate. The fingerprint reader is embedded in the display. The GT Master Edition features a single speaker that is located at the bottom. The power button is on the right side while the volume buttons are on the left side. The 6.43-inch Super AMOLED panel packs in a 120Hz refresh rate and a 360Hz touch sampling rate, which should be good for gamers. I also like that it has thin bezels all around. Design aside, the Realme GT Master Edition is the first smartphone to feature Qualcomm Snapdragon 778G processor in India. The SoC is the successor to the Snapdragon 768G, which was announced in 2020. The Snapdragon 778G is manufactured using a 6nm fabrication process with a maximum clock speed of 2.4 GHz. The device is available in 3 RAM and storage variants. There's a base option with 6GB RAM and 128GB of storage, an 8GB RAM and a 128GB storage variant, and the 8GB RAM and 256GB storage variant, which is the one we received for review. Prices start from Rs 25,999. While the SIM tray has 2 slots for 2 nano SIMs, there is no microSD card slot for storage expansion. The rear camera setup includes a 64MP primary camera, an 8MP ultra-wide angle camera, and a 2MP macro camera. Selfie duties are handled by a 32MP camera. With its focus on a slimmer design and faster charging, Realme went with a 4300 mAh battery for its GT Master Edition. The battery uses a dual-cell design and can be charged using the 65-watt charger that comes in the box. The Realme GT Master Edition runs Realme UI 2.0, which is based on Android 11. Out of the box, the software felt quite smooth, but I did notice plenty of bloatware and third-party apps. The GT Master Edition's unique suitcase-like design and Snapdragon 770Hz processor should help it stand out from the crowd, but we will have to put it through its paces to find out how much of an improvement the new processor brings over the competition. So that was our quick unboxing and your first look at the Realme GT Master Edition. What do you think about this device? Let us know in the comment section below. And as always, for all things tech, stay tuned to Gadgets360.com.